Hello dear learners. Today we are going to discuss few of the MCQs from pharmaceutical chemistry, and we are going to cover the MCQs on structures, wherein specifically in this part we are going to talk about the heterocycles present in the structure. So to start with the part 1 from MCQs based on the structures heterocycle present, the first question is, which amongst the given drug contains quinoline heterocycle? Whether it is chloroquine, quinine, quinidine, cinchonine, cinchonidine, or all of them? The correct answer is it is all of them. Chloroquine, quinine, cinchonine all contains quinoline heterocycle. So as you can see here, these are alkaloids. Okay, quinine, quinidine, cinchonine, cinchonidine, all these contains quinoline ring. This one is the quinoline ring as heterocycle. Okay, principal nucleus. And along with this alkaloids, quinoline alkaloids, chloroquine, which is an antimalarial, it also contains the quinoline heterocycle. Next question is, name the antimalarial containing quinine heterocycle. Whether it is chloroquine, pyrimethamine, PAS, or all of them, the correct answer is it is chloroquine, wherein you can see quinoline. Okay. Next question is, which amongst the given drug contains pyrimidine heterocycle? Whether it is pyrimethamine, sulfadiazine, both of them, or none of them, the correct answer is it is both of them. Pyrimethamine as well as sulfadiazine from sulfonamide contains pyrimidine heterocycle. Now what is pyrimidine heterocycle? Pyrimidine heterocycle is nothing but it is a 6-membered unsaturated compound wherein the nitrogen is present at first and third position, as you can see here, first and third position. So this pyrimidine ring is present in pyrimethamine also as well as sulfadiazine also. So you can see them in the name itself. It is pyrim which is nothing but pyrimidine, and diazine which is nothing but 2-aza. Only the position difference may arise over here. So both the drugs contains pyrimidine as a heterocycle. Next question is, name the antimalarial containing pyrimidine heterocycle. Whether it is chloroquine, pyrimethamine, PAS, or all of them, the correct answer is it is pyrimethamine, which is an antimalarial which contains pyrimidine heterocycle. Okay, see this one, pyrimethamine. Okay, so pyrim is for pyrimidine, etha is for ethyl, amine which is a primary amine at second and fourth position, and remaining is chlorophenyl. So how you can remember this? Here if you will see the pyrimidine ring which is present over here, everywhere the substituent is there. At second position, fourth position, fifth position as well as sixth position. Not a single place is vacant. So other you can remember easily. Pyrim से pyrimidine है, pyrimidine के सेकेंड एंड फोर्थ पोजीशन पे प्राइमरी अमाइन है, इसीलिए ये अमाइन है. इथा अमाइन है मतलब इथाइल भी है, तो ये सिक्स्थ पोजीशन पे है, CH2CH3. सो बचा क्या अभी? क्लोरोफिनाइल. सो विच इज एट फिफ्थ पोजीशन. हियर यू कैन सी क्लोरोफिनाइल. From name you cannot remember this chlorophenyl, but you very well know that this chlorine is very much essential for the activity, as well as this place is not vacant. Every point of pyrimidine is having a substituent except the heteroatoms. Next question is, name the sulfonamide containing pyrimidine heterocycle. Whether it is sulfadiazine, whether it is sulfamethoxazole, whether it is sulfasalazine or sulfacetamide? The correct answer is it is sulfadiazine. The sulfonamide which contains pyrimidine heterocycle is nothing but sulfadiazine. Next question is, this explanation you can see here. Sulfonamide which contains pyrimidine, which we have seen earlier also. This is a sulfonamide which is sulfadiazine, which contains a pyrimidine heterocycle. And the highlighted part which I have shown here, you can see NH2 ring SO2 NH2. NH2 ring SO2 NH2. So this hydrogen is replaced with pyrimidine ring, which becomes sulfadiazine, and the highlighted moiety is nothing but sulfanilamide, which indicates that it is a sulfonamide and it contains pyrimidine heterocycle, so it is sulfadiazine. Next question is, diazine है तो दो अज़ा है. Next question is, which amongst the given drug contains pyridine heterocycle? Now pyridine, as we all know, in heterocycles we have studied, pyridine is nothing but a 6-membered unsaturated compound which contains only one heteroatom, which is nitrogen. So pyridine is present in which of the given drug? Whether it is in isoniazide, whether it is in nicotinamide, whether it is in chlorpheniramine maleate, or all of them? The correct answer is it is all of them. All the given drug contains pyridine heterocycle. So as you can see the structures, first one is isoniazid, okay, then nicotinamide is there, which is nothing but coramine, and chlorpheniramine maleate is also there. So isoniazide, if you will see the highlighted part, this is pyridine, 6-membered unsaturated containing only one nitrogen. Then if you look into the chlorpheniramine, which is also nothing but contains pyridine heterocycle, the highlighted part, and nicotinamide, which is nothing but also contains pyridine heterocycle. So the explanations of all these structures we are going to talk about in upcoming part of the video. Next question is, name the antitubercular drug containing pyridine heterocycle. Now specifically they are asking it category wise, that you are supposed to name any antitubercular which contains pyridine heterocycle. So whether it is INH, nicotinamide, chlorpropamide or haloperidol, the correct answer is it is isoniazid, because nicotinamide is analeptic, chlorpropamide is also hypoglycemic, haloperidol is also again tranquilizer. So only one antitubercular is there here, which is nothing but isoniazid, which contains a pyridine heterocycle if you look into the structure, and it contains carbohydrazide group. Okay. Next question is, name the analeptic containing pyridine heterocycle. Now here it starts with category wise, whether it is coramine, whether it is nicotinamide, whether both of them or none of them. The correct answer is it is both of them, because coramine is only nicotinamide, or nicotinamide is nothing but coramine. Nicotinamide. Nic-ethamide. Nic for nicotinic acid, etha for ethyl, amide for CONH2. Okay, so this is nothing but how you can remember the structure, nicotinamide, which is also known by the name coramine, which is an analeptic drug. Next question is, name the anti-allergic drug containing pyridine heterocycle. Whether it is isoniazid, whether it is nicotinamide, whether chlorpheniramine maleate or haloperidol, the correct answer is it is chlorpheniramine maleate. Isoniazid is antitubercular, nicotinamide is analeptic, haloperidol is tranquilizer, and the anti-allergic drug which contains a pyridine heterocycle is nothing but chlorpheniramine maleate. As you can see here in the structure, it is chlorpheniramine maleate. So chlorphenira, क्लोरफेन मतलब chlorophenyl. Okay, amine. So this one is NCH3CH3, and this carbons you can see here, it is 2 carbon. Okay, so this is nothing but chlorpheniramine maleate, which contains a pyridine heterocycle. Next question is, pyrazinamide contains dash heterocycle. Whether it contains pyridine, whether pyrazine, whether pyrazinamide, or all of them, the correct answer is it is pyrazinamide. This is the typographical mistake. Pyrazinamide contains the pyrazine heterocycle. You can rectify the answer. It contains pyrazine heterocycle. Okay, since the name pyrazinamide. Okay, we can see the explanation here. Pyrazine heterocycle, and this is amide. So pyrazine, since the name pyrazinamide, it contains pyrazine, which is nothing but a 6-membered unsaturated heterocycle which contains nitrogen at first and fourth position, and a amide group. So it is pyrazinamide, which contains pyrazine heterocycle. Next question, see. With this, we finish with few of the MCQs from the structure heterocycle part 1. Stay tuned with us for the further parts on the heterocycle presents in different structures from pharmaceutical chemistry 2 chapters. Thank you.